House. Um, we did a lot of work, a lot of cleanup. That garage was filled with cardboard just a little while ago. You got the washers and dryers all hooked up. Got the kitchen going on. Dining room's all set up. Still have some stuff to hang on the walls. Some decor. Heading into the living room and the sunroom. It's dark out, so not going to be able to see much of the back porch.
Make a U-turn on Greenleaf Lane. Then turn right on Seashore Way.
I have Waze up because we're getting ready to leave. And she's telling me that I'm taking wrong
Turn right on
turns.
Seashore Way.
Here's our bedroom. Get to the corner here. And then our bathroom. See that in a second. Starting to look a little lived in. There's our closet. Trying to keep my finger out of this. There's Chris. Kitchen. Living room. Mud room again. Now we'll go upstairs. And we'll go over into the garbage bathroom. And then into Kendall's room and the bunk bed from hell. Took me 6 hours to put that thing together. Only an hour to get everything out of the boxes. Loft. And we'll go into Carrie's room. Carrie and Hunter.
In 700 feet, turn right on Lighthouse Road. Then turn right.
Guess we'll think that's funny when we listen to it. And Carrie and Hunter's
Turn right on Seashore Way.
bathroom. And we'll go over into Megan and Joe's room. And that's pretty much it.